What's going on, you guys? It's George and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm talking about a company that delivers trendy fashion and shares some of their profits with various charities, Alpine Swiss. Now, they actually create men's and women's clothing, accessories, and footwear. And I picked up a few items from their line, from a pair of boots, I got also sneakers, and some gloves. So today's video is going to be a bit of an unboxing and kind of a recap of this company, Alpine Swiss. Yes, it is that time of the year again to break out the boots, my favorite accessory. My favorite pair of footwear is boots. I live for boots. So I was eyeing up this pair by Alpine and I figured, you know what, I'm going to talk about this. I have a few items from this company, might as well do an unboxing and review. So keep on watching. If you haven't already, guys, check out my latest video where I was doing my daily skincare routine inside of a mausoleum, a haunted mausoleum. Since then, daily I've been cleansing my apartment with Palo Santo, just, getting rid of any possible spirits that I may have brought home. I don't know, but I'm just really superstitious like that, so. Alpine Swiss brands themselves as an emergency lifestyle brand. They were founded in 2010 and they're based out of LA. Luckily, Alpine has a clear description and about me on their website, 𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏 here, our passion lies in creating our own line of products while giving back to our community. We take our social responsibility seriously and partner with various organizations to support causes that impact our community locally and globally. So that is very inspiring, very beautiful. And now that we have a background about what exactly this company stands for and who they are, let's get into the unboxing and some of the products that I purchased. This right here, what I'm going to first talk about is the Owen Boots. These beauties right here, these black beauties. I absolutely fell in love with these when I seen them online. They feel extremely expensive, guys. These right here just, they scream luxury when I see them. Their Owen 𝗬𝗄𝘅 boot actually goes for $97.50, but luckily I picked it up for $49.99, I believe. And this is in the color black, of course, obviously. And I will list all the features of the boot right here if you want to check them out. Of course, I'll leave them in the description as well, a link if you want to get them yourself. But these are an amazing pair of shoes. They are very comfortable. Now, there is one flaw that has been bugging me because I love wearing these because they look pretty, but the one boot, for some reason, has like an air sound whenever I walk on it. It has like a... I don't know how to describe it. It's like blowing air. I don't know if there's like a hole in one of the like pieces where it's put together. I don't know what it is, but it makes a noise and it just completely irritates me. The one boot's fine, but the other one isn't. So I'm debating on if I should contact them, let them know about it. Overall though, this is a very attractive pair of shoes. It's beautiful, guys. Like, let's face it, this is a very durable, let me tell you, it's durable and it is comfortable, which is very important when it comes to shoes, guys. I mean, we all want to have a nice looking pair of shoes, but if they're not comfortable, then they're trash. Them, on the other hand, they're making that noise, so I don't know how to feel about it. So I got to do something about that, guys. I don't know. Now, the next pair of shoes that I got, this is called the Stefan Sneakers Trim Retro Fashion Sneakers. I didn't open it yet, so let's open it up. And another thing is, the box that came with the first Alpine Swiss shoes was kind of tattered. It came like this package, so I don't know if, like, the mail carrier was a little rough with it. They do have dust bags for each shoe. Love that. Not that it matters what the box comes like, because to be honest with you, as long as a pair of shoes are intact and they're in mint condition, I don't care. So I'm not going to be too like critical there. It's just if you're someone who likes to like hold on to your box for your shoes, then I mean, my experience with that pair wasn't the greatest. So that is that. Maybe this will be better, who knows? Again, it might just be the mail carrier, so really can't say. Alright. This is, box is not much better considering like the, oh, okay. Alright, I did order a pair of gloves like I was saying, and I was like feeling around with the bag and I didn't see them, or I didn't feel them inside there, so they threw them in with the shoes. Alright. But this again is the Stefan Suede Trim Retro Fashion Sneaker. These go for $75. That's kind of pricey, but we will see. This is just basically a mini catalog of some of their products that they offer, and they actually are showing the pair of sneakers that I almost got. The 𝗀𝗄𝘄𝘆 unisex casual sneaker. they're pretty sick, kind of like them. But let's check these out. And they are individually in their dust bag, so loving that. And I got these in the color black. They come in gray, white, and navy as well. Of course, I'll list the features for these sneakers right here. There they are. These actually look pretty sick. These are, I consider, like tennis sneakers because they're very flat. They're cute. I do like the color black. I thought it was gonna be like a faded black. And I like how on the lip of the shoe, it says Alpine Swiss right there. Not that I'm about like logos or brand names or anything. It does say it's made in China. I thought they were based out of LA, but I guess they're not created in LA. The company is just based out of LA, so all right. But yeah, pretty cool. On the bottom, it does say Alpine Swiss all over it. Love that. The boots do not have it. They're just like, I don't know, regular, but that's cool. I appreciate that. I'm not gonna try these on right now, but of course I will update you guys in the description down below. So always check out my descriptions, guys. I keep it updated all the time on products, whether or not I'm having a different type of effect than I normally did when I try on stuff or try out skincare, you name it. But I will update you guys in the description if I'm liking how these are and if they're making a noise like the boots. But aesthetically, I'm definitely pleased. The box again was a little tattered, but whatever, not bothered. So I actually ordered their leather gloves, and these are the fingerless gloves. These go for $29.50. I got them for $9.99, so a steal. And I mainly got these for working out, guys, because I want to step up my workout attire game. I have regular workout gloves, and honestly, they're just basic looking. They're not cute. So I figured leather ones, like, how chic, right? That's pretty sick. Open this up. And it says genuine leather, so that's pretty nice. And it definitely feels like genuine leather. That's very soft. These are extremely soft, I have to say. Let's give them a try though. I think I picked up a size medium. I'm praying they fit because they are so pretty. Okay, yeah, that fits pretty perfectly actually. I'm hoping that working out with these doesn't like cause the leather to like disintegrate or anything, but fits perfect, size medium. I have like basic size hands, I guess, but those look super sick. I love that. Also, I noticed inside the bag with the gloves came this little pamphlet here, which is talking about one of their charities, and it says Delivered Hope. Alpine Swiss donates 250 meals every day to feed hungry children in the US and around the world. Your purchase allows us to continue our partnership with Children's Hunger Fund. Love that. Guys, this is serious. Like, Alpine Swiss really does contribute to charities and various kinds, different kinds from what I see on the website. So I love that, and hopefully you guys appreciate that as well. My main purpose for talking about Alpine Swiss today was honestly to share with you guys a company that doesn't just deliver trendy fashion, fast fashion, and cool stuff, accessories, you name it. They actually contribute to charities and foundations and have a positive impact on society. So I really love that and I appreciate that. And I know there are a lot of companies that are kind of going in this direction. 𝗬𝗍 is one of them. 𝗏𝗏_𝘅, which is another company that I'm going to be talking about shortly. And a lot of companies and brands that are just wanting to bring awareness to charities and people out there that need help. And we should really be focusing on stuff like this as well. So it's very, very important, and I'm happy that I had the chance to bring awareness to Alpine Swiss. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. I know I am very happy with my purchases. Again, not to dog on the boot for that air moment that it provides when I walk. Annoyed about that, but other than that, everything is aesthetically beautiful, and the gloves, I know I'm gonna freaking love these with working out. So if you guys found this video to be helpful or entertaining, give it a thumbs up. And if you're not already, please subscribe to my channel. That'd be much appreciated. It goes a long way. Share this video and share the love, and also hit the notification bell because I upload videos weekly. So you might as well follow me on this YouTube journey. And my Instagram is right here if you'd like to give that a follow. But until next time, say thanks, give compliments, and think positive. And I'll catch you in the next video. Bye guys.